Let's discuss what to do if a user sees in his Cloud Linux PHP Selector interface a message that the default PHP version is alt-php and PHP Selector is disabled. As in most cases, a user should contact an administrator. Let's go to the administrator interface. The administrator in his PHP Selector interface can see the warning that he should check the multi-PHP system PHP version. The check and needed changes the administrator can make in the multi-PHP manager interface. Let's go to that interface. Loading. Let's go to the System PHP version section. You can see the alt-php 7.3 version here. If any alt version is set here, the Cloud Linux PHP Selector will not work. So, you should change the version to any with the EA prefix, i.e. the PHP version provided by cPanel. Let's click Apply to apply changes. Loading. You can see the message that the version was changed. Next, let's go to the PHP Handlers tab. Here you can see which handler is used by the system PHP version. The system EA PHP 7.3 version uses the su-PHP handler. So, the Cloud Linux PHP Selector can work. The handler is compatible and the system PHP version is correct. Let's go back to the Cloud Linux PHP Selector Administrator interface. Loading. Go to the Selector tab. Loading. The diagnostic tool doesn't show a warning about incompatible system PHP version. Let's go to the user interface. Refresh the page and check that PHP Selector is enabled. Loading. So, PHP Selector is enabled. In the Handled By column, you can see Cloud Linux PHP Selector. But the version is not alt, not the one provided by Cloud Linux. Let's choose a version, say 7.1, and set it as the current version. Loading. Let's go to the PHP Info Page. Refresh the page and see. Refreshing. We can see that the version is 7.1 and it is with the alt prefix. So, this is the Cloud Linux PHP Selector version. And Cloud Linux PHP Selector works fine. Thanks for watching. See you next time!